Hello everyone, and today we will be going over the removal and reinstallation of a dispense head for a Cornelius soda machine model ED 150. And I'm going to start by removing the covering of the dispense head. And I just want to show you the dispense head separates into two parts. The front cover pulls up and off like so. This is your front cover for labeling. This is your cover for the dispense head. And I'll set those aside. And what you want to do before you start disconnecting anything is go to the back room, wherever you're at, where the bib pumps and your bib rack are at, and disconnect your CO2 and disconnect your flavor that this valve is going to. And then you'll want to go ahead and engage your flavor. Let it just push out whatever is in the line. And then now you're ready to, once you have it depressurized, you're ready to go ahead and release your dispense head. And the way you would do that is by pushing on this tab on the left hand side. You can use your index finger or your thumb. You just push the tab over to the left, and then you press down on the top section of the rear block, and you will feel it push down and click. That releases your dispense head, and now you can pull your dispense head away from the rear block. Now you have access to your rear block. If you wanted to change out your rear block, you would just remove the 4 screws that are holding it in, and then you could take your rear block off and put your new rear block on. Or you could do any repairs that you needed to make, or if you wanted to replace your dispense valve, you could go ahead and get your new dispense valve, set it into place, and you're going to line up the 2 ports and your slots with the 2 ports and the slots up here on the rear block. Just going to line those up, push it into place, and then from there what you can do is go ahead and push up on the rear block. Hopefully you can make it out, and you can see that it clicked into place. This is how it will look when it's in position and it's ready to go. And that would be how you disconnect and reconnect your dispense valve assembly on a Cornelius ED 150. Thank you for watching.